Good afternoon, everybody. We are back Friday afternoon. At least we got that to look forward to. Market's still doing okay. Actually, it's still doing okay. But who do we have first in the chat today? We got Zachariah first, man. What's going on? Nick F, second in the chat. Zachariah, Sergio, Rocket, Andrew, Sergio, Zachariah, Jim from Wales, Nick, Alan, Zachariah, Pugnacious, Frank, Shredda, Pringleton, and anybody else? Let's see who we got in the chat right now. Cassie, Pika Power, Outdoor Smile, Miguel, and Pugnacious. What is going on, everybody? Let's see what we got going on in the market. We've got AMC trending upwards pretty nicely towards the end of the day here, sitting at $17.62. I got my eye on this $18 mark. Let's go. We got about 13 minutes left in the day. We could easily get back above $18. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $24.25 right now, up 1.70% on the day. GameStop down a little bit right now, almost 5%, sitting at $118.75. Prog trending up a little bit towards the end of the afternoon here, down 4.38% of the day at $1.31. If we come down here, we can see the Nasdaq doing very well on the day today, sitting up 1.5%. We can see it moving nicely back above these support lines, so that is good news. Will we find a little bit of resistance in this area? We're gonna have to find out and see, but that could be a possibility. I'm still leaving the line up here. on the Nasdaq, so we'll have to see how that plays out there. Ooh, Prog moving up nice. We got $1.32 now. Farmy sitting at $16.58. All right, Farmy down a little bit right now. $16.58. Turn a red on the day once again. And up here, Sundial also 1.5% in the red right now, sitting at 50.92 cents. Stocks red, crypto green. I don't like it, but it's all right. AMC is going to turn positive, and then we're going to roll back into the 18s there. Pika, I missed you. Everybody missed Pika. What's up, fam? What's happening, Miguel? How you doing? I eat once a day, and lunch ain't it. Pugnacious. Good deal, man. Yeah, I don't eat 3 times a day. But some people do. Sup, JJ? What's going on? Clay is finishing his sushi. No sushi here for lunch. Hero, what are your thoughts on root beer, bark smoke? Frank, I have no idea, man. I have no idea. If I had to say, I would just say A&W, but I have not drank any pop, not soda, because I don't know what that is. I have not had any pop, man, since like 10th grade, so I have no idea what I would say. This guy, me, could use a hearty pat on the back. I've been tasting tears all day. Spaniard, we were looking at you. We were wondering how you were doing this morning, man. We were looking at Block, or whatever the heck this company is called now, and you don't have to tell us if you don't want to. Are your puts, do they expire today, or do you have a longer expiration out there? Because look, dude, puts are not a bad idea on a company that has done nothing but go down for the last 3 months. So you got duped by the earnings report there, man. And if they expire today, okay, I mean, I guess it is what it is. But if they don't expire today, I wouldn't imagine that this is just going to be like the dead bottom and you don't have any chance of recouping any of that. I wouldn't go that far. But you don't have to tell us, man, if you don't want to tell us. That's just what we were looking at earlier today when we were wondering about you. June expiration. Shoot, dude, you're probably going to end up being just fine. It just sucks. It just sucks today, dude. June expiration, shoot, you can still go back into the money. I eat once a day. Oh, I saw that already. Hello, everyone. Donnell, good afternoon to you. Glad to have you in here, Donnell Barks, but I actually prefer a red, what? Never heard of that, Cassie. Never heard of that. Sounds dangerous, though. It does. Dude, freaking gas. Rolos and peanut M&Ms are gas. I don't even know what that means, man. What is gas? Does that mean it's good? Like, if it's gas, it's good? Or is there, like, something that I'm missing there? Because I have no idea what I would be missing on that. Oh, AMC breaking even on the day right now. Rolling back, man. Let's get a little trend line on here. We're going for it. We're going to go for it. We're going to get this AMC back. Oh, we got to go back above 18 before it closes, so it's got to be steeper. Steeper. Gosh, they don't give me much room, do they? Still not going to make it. We got to go steeper. Gosh. All right, let's go. Everybody, we need to cheer AMC on. We want an $18 finish today. We are in the green. $17.69 is in the green. Looking great for AMC right now. Shiba Inu coin picking up some life towards the end of the day here, sitting at 24.31. GameStop had a pretty heavy 5 minutes here, so going from 120.30 all the way down to 118, losing about $2 on that 5 minute period. That was tough. Prog rolling back end of day, nice strength there. Just since we started the live stream till now, we're already up 3 cents, so that's looking very good, up a nice 2%. Nasdaq seems to be rolling right now, getting some attention. Farmy is, I did not want to do that. Farmy is sitting at 16.77 right now, also gaining steam towards the end of the day. We got a nice little power hour on our hands, ladies and gentlemen. We got a nice little power hour here. We can see these stocks roll up. I want to move AMC down a little bit so we can see that $18 mark. I want to see these stocks roll up and close in the green. Stephanie, bro, what is going on, Stephanie, bro? Hey, guys. Wow, he speaks fast. That is my bad, Stephanie. My bad. I am speaking very fast, yes. Please, Shiba, don't die. I need you. Shiba Inu is not going to die. It is going to be very, very good. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 24.36 right now. A nice little green towards the end of the day here. Nice little green going from 23.90 back up about 50 points. Pugnacious. Thank you for the super chat, Pugnacious. Pugnacious says, it's soda. I don't even know what soda is, man. I don't even know what soda is, dude. I never said soda intentionally in my life. Unless I said, grab me a cream soda. Then yes, I would have said soda in that instance. But always has been and will be pop, man. Oh, Birch Beer, autocorrect. Made a bad word, but Birch Beer is a soda popular in Amish grocery stores. Cassie, very interesting. Yeah, I've never had that. Hey, bro, did you hear that one of the largest Ethereum whales invested a lot in Shiba? Axelrod. The only article I actually saw today on whales investing in Shiba is, dude, I don't know. It was basically just showing the top 1,000 Ethereum wallets that are owning over $1 billion worth of Shiba Inu coin. That's the one I saw. So I did not see if any single one invested a massive amount in Shiba lately. Vacation. Stephanie bro, you need a vacation? Yes. Stephanie bro needs a vacation. I need a vacation. Everybody needs a vacation. I guess knowledge of the gas term comes from getting good to Mary Jane. If it smells strong, you say that smells like some gas, which is bad or good? I do not know, man. I do not know. I'm drooling over Cardano, man. When buy? Yeah, outdoor smile. I don't know when the buy is, dude. Things could turn bad very quickly, or we could be at the bottom right now. So I don't know, man. I'm sweating over these decisions too. Never letting go of Peak. I'm never letting go of Peak. Never letting go of Shiba. Pika power, yes. I could let go of Shiba. I'm not gonna lie. I could let go of Shiba if Bitcoin falls below 30,000, but I don't have any intentions on doing so otherwise. Rocket, thank you for the super chat. Did you hear that phone call on Fox? I did not, actually. I did not. When was it? Today? Was it yesterday? When was it? Because I did not hear it, man. Peak power. That's why I took a break too. I'm feeling better today. Good. I'm glad. Never letting go. Took a break because of something. Gas means good. Okay. Chris! Well, dude, if I was about to partake of something and I said, man, this smells like gas, and then I said, let me ingest it anyway, does that really make sense? That gas is good? No, Chris. No, it doesn't. But for you kids, I guess it does. Who's been mean to people in here to peek into nobody? But I don't know. Nobody. Five calls still make. Crossing fingers. Let's go, Shredda. Let's go. I hope you guys get it. If you guys got any options out there, I absolutely hope you just kill it, man. Puff, puff, pass. Whatever that means. Puff, puff, pass. Is that like Duck, Duck, Goose, but in Wales? You guys play Puff, Puff, Pass instead of Duck, Duck, Goose? Is that what that? I guess that's what that means. I have Prog calls that stretch out to July. It's called cash flow. What goes around will come back around. Boom, Shredda, let's get it. Prog calls out to July. I like it. Prog's actually on the move right now. Prog's sitting at $1.34, man. It was just at $1.32 a second ago. Now it's $1.34. Pugnacious, I grew up calling it a soda pop. They both work. Nah, it's definitely pop. I don't even know if soda pop's like It's like, I don't know about soda pop. It's definitely pop. Definitely. Just realized how much of a bad influence by teaching Clay about Mary Jane smell like gas and holding the pocket thing. Yeah, you guys are bad people, man. Gas is strong, No, dude, I'm going to tell you guys right now. Gas is either the fee you pay to buy and sell on the Ethereum blockchain, or gas is the fuel that you put in your vehicle. Other than that, I don't know any other terms for gas, dude. I mean, I guess, okay, the gas that comes into my house and fuels my house as well is also something that I would call gas. Saw something about Danelle's cats. Oh, was it? Thanks, Cassie. I did not see that. Sergio, welcome to the bros, man. Sergio, bro. I like it. Look at that name right there. Sergio, bro. Very good. Grabbing that green name. Test. Testing 1, 2, 3. Sergio, bro. Has that little icon next to his name right now. Very good, Sergio, bro. Appreciate the fact that you got that green name. And I know everybody, all 32 of you, are going to be welcoming Sergio, bro, to the chat right now. Thanks, Miguel. Yes. Pretty much just one person, Rhino. It's all right, Pika. You and Rhino will become best friends one day. Papa says, rotation while sharing a DB with your homies today. It's more like then pass. Then pass, relax. Dang, man, that's way too many. Way too many puffs, dude. Soda in the West Coast. Pop in Ohio. Nobody says soda here. It's just weird. How's the weather in Ohio today? Saw 46 in Houston. Ready for some heat. Dang, dude, 46. 25 here. 25, and it was slightly snowing. So yesterday was raining, and there's a lot of ice today. Trees, roads, driveways, sidewalks. A lot of ice today, man. It was raining yesterday and got extremely cold last night. And it's 25 degrees right now. Cloudy, gray, nothing to write home about. Chris, don't bogart that. Yeah, don't puff it too many times, man. What are you doing? It's soda in America. Yankees and veterans call it pop. Well, dude, I will call it pop. So call me what you... He said, I read veterans. He said vegans. Call it what you wish, man, but I will call it pop. Danelle and Pika just blocked him. No need to be disrespected. Never. Woke up and thought it was a Thursday. Thank goodness I didn't buy any calls. Oh, God, Justin. Yes, dude, it is good, probably good, that you didn't go out there and buy any calls or puts with today's expiration. That would have been a mishap, but I'm glad you made it through that one. Clay. It's just because gasoline has that certain strong smell, so if Mary Jane has a strong, gassy smell, it tends to be good. See, I wouldn't even think that, man. I wouldn't even think that. You would want it's a nice, fresh green. You would want it to have, like, a fresh outdoor smell. Kind of like, you go out and you smell the flowers in springtime. It's just, that smells fresh. Gasoline does not come to my mind when something should be natural. 2 minutes, we got 2 minutes. We got 1 minute. 1 minute left in the chat right now. What do we got here on AMC? We got AMC setting at $17.65 right now, down 0.17% on the day. We want to get back above $18, but it's not going to happen today, ladies and gentlemen. We got to see over under 1765. That's the deal right now. Over under 1765. Get your names in the chat right now if you want to. Over under 1765 is the deal. 1765. We're sitting at 1764 right now. Can we finish above 1765? 1763, 64, 63, 64, 64, 64, 64, 64, 65, 64, 64, 66. We're gonna get over. We're gonna get over 65. We're gonna get over 65. 1767 right now with less than a minute on the day. We get 1767, 66, 67, 66, 66, 66, 67. 1767. We got 1766. Are we gonna close green, red on the day? I want to know right now. Green, red. We closed red on the day. We are sitting at 1765 right now. 1765. So 1760. We get a 1766. We had a couple more ticks in there. 1766 is where we closed. It was red on the day, but we got a 1766 close. That is above the 1765 that we were going there. And Pringleton said under, but it was over. Pringleton is the only one that guessed. Thank you, Pringleton, for being the only person that guessed in the horse race there on the over and under. I was saying right now, I don't know, miss a couple of streams, and it goes to, yeah, man, we don't ever need any of that. I grew up calling it pop, and then a university professor told me pop is a sound and soda is a drink, so now I say soda. No, pop is a drink, and soda is a drink that people around here say, and it's just, pop is not a Pop is not just a sound, man. Pop is a drink that you drink. Your university professor was wrong. It's just like Bobby Boucher's university professor. Very easy to call out a wrong professor. Gas in two-stroke. Nice, man. Nice. It was only 2 buffs back in the day. They had joints today. It's a beezy. It's a beezy. So it's what? It's a beezy. I don't even know what that means, dude. It's a beezy. And that's the dance, ladies and gents. That is the market for Friday. If you guys are going to be leaving us, leave in style. Make sure to click that like button. If you're going to be hanging out for the next hour, make sure to click the like button as well. I mean, you don't want to do that. Do not facts on that. I love it. I love how Peak of Power is saying facts on that. Yes. It's really warm here in Minneapolis, 23 degrees. But what I think is warm, others would say is freezing. Peak of Power, yeah, it's not warm here. 25 is not warm, but it's warmer than 23 because 25 is warmer than 23. Man, Prog had a nice finish, though. Rolling up to $1.35, $1.36, and then back down to $1.35 before the close. Farm closed at 1684. Sundial closed at 5113. Very interesting. GameStop finished the day at $118.58. So very good, guys. Very good. We were able to hold our own today. Now, Lou's only got a week left, guys. Lou's only got a week left on his March 3rd prediction for AMC. So we'll have to see what happens with that. Hope he's right. Hope he's right. Take that on a Friday. I'll take it on a Friday too, Pringleton. I figured as I'm usually wrong. If I say under, it push up. Yeah, it worked, man. Opposite day worked for you. No, it's for sure Pop. Yeah, definitely. It's for sure Pop. I agree with that. What's an annoying close? What an annoying close. I had to repost my order for next Friday several times. Selling AMC covered calls. Very nice, Frank. Clay, BZ is a blunt, like a gas station cigar, but I was keeping it PG-13. Gotcha, man. Gotcha. I don't even think the 13-year-olds in here would know what that is, dude. So I don't really know if that 13 thing makes sense or not. Medulla oblongata. Yes, man. That's not why alligators are angry. Alligators are ornery because they got all them teeth, but no toothbrush. Easy as that, man. Scottish color. It's crazy suds. My neighbor just hated me that much. For Pop? It's in the 80s here in Orlando. Mark, you're a lucky man, dude. You're a lucky man. It's 25 degrees and cloudy right now. Been in the negatives all week here. 23 is a heat wave. Yeah, 23 would be a heat wave to negative, but nah, it's actually been a little bit warmer than that here. Piggott is a southerner. Anybody south of Duluth is from the south. Mark Crypto, rub it in, don't you? Yeah, Mark's probably out tanning today. Shoot off Mark's air conditioning breaks. He's done for. Your mama was wrong. Mama's never wrong. Also, you saying you would never think if that is like me when I saw an old coworker pick up a random McDonald's receipt off the parking lot and say they missed his order during the rush. You would never think of that. I've actually seen that before, man. I've seen people, and I'm sure they just did it for the videos. I hope people don't do this in real life, but yeah, dude, I've seen people, like, on videos, go grab a receipt out of the trash at McDonald's, then go through the drive-thru and tell them they missed an order or something. So, yeah, I've seen that before. I don't know if your coworker learned that off a video or what, but I've seen that before, too. That's messed up. Frank, are you from Duluth? Maybe. Peek, I'm up on the Iron Ridge, wherever that is. You guys know too much. Celsius or Fahrenheit? Fahrenheit. I remember when the chat was worst talk was about Clay going 8 hours with a catheter, and now this room, it keeps... Miguel, it's ridiculous, man. Not me, though. I've never done any of that stuff. It was nice enough to melt last night's snow today without having to get... Yeah, Cassie. It was nice yesterday, but it was raining, and then it got really cold, so everything's ice now. Outdoor Smile! Thank you for the super chat. I don't always boob tube on Fridays, but when I do, I choose Clay, bro. Okay? Outdoor Smile. Okay? Yes, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate this man right there. Pugnacious. Wait, what? Ryobi isn't quality? Get out of here! Pugnacious. Ryobi is quality. Probably think Ryobi tools are quality, too. I do think Ryobi tools are quality, man. That's the tools I own. I could go get my Ryobi drill right now. Big no, Clay. Dude was straight from the hood. Darn it, man. Darn it. Just don't do that though. Don't go grab a receipt and then listen. I don't care that much if you guys order a water and put some tea in it. Like I don't care that much. Fill it up with pop, but don't go through the drive-through with somebody else's receipt and say that they jacked your order. I used to work at Chick-fil-A. People would consume their entire meal and then request a refund because it tasted weird. A pleasure seeing those people not return. Yes, I can imagine. I don't know if I could consume an entire meal. I've been to like Asian restaurants before and had miso soup and it tastes like a boot, but I just don't eat it. I don't ask for a refund on the miso soup, man. I just don't eat because I don't think it's supposed to taste good anyway. I think it's just like leftover fish water or something that they put in there. Yeah, but I don't know. I've seen people do that before, man. I've seen people do that before at restaurants. Really annoying. They'll sit there, they'll eat their entire meal, and then they'll be like, "Well, that took too long. We need a refund." And then they'll just sit there and talk like afterwards. You're clearly not in that big of a hurry. You just wanted your meal for free. Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby, dabbing on them like always. Good afternoon to you, Natalie. How are you doing? Fetch the all-time high, Shiba Fardeen Khan, man. Let's get this all-time. I want to see an all-time high too, man. Frank, yeah, I camped there during the winters for my outdoor adventures class. I can't complain. Camped where? Iron Ridge? Maybe. Shib can up, bro. Yes, Rainbow Cat. So Shiba can go up. Yes. It's going to be difficult for it to go up, you know, in the face of a war and interest rate hikes and everything else that's going on right now. But it absolutely can rise in price. It's not like it's going to go down forever. Out here in Georgia, the first Chick-fil-A is called a Dwarf Town. Going to CK. Check it out tomorrow. Dude, you just got a Chick-fil-A down there? Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying? You're going to the... Listen, I don't think the Chick-fil-A is, like, phenomenal or anything. I mean, it's good, but I don't think it's, like, phenomenal. I know some people rave about it, but I don't think it's phenomenal. So don't get your expectations, like, too high and then be disappointed. It might be like a Wellies, you know? Yeah, sorry, I licked the plate clean, but it was terrible. Yeah, dude, yeah. I had a hair in my food, but I decided to eat it anyways. So, can I have a refund, please? Where's the hair? I ate it. More protein, you know? I'm the type to not say my food is wrong and just eat the whole thing. If like to say, because I don't care, I just don't want to deal with taking it back and then waiting and being awkward. If it was, like, completely wrong, I may say something like, dude, if I ordered a taco and they brought me a burger, like, clearly that burger was probably for somebody else. So I would probably be like, yeah, I didn't order a burger, I ordered a taco. But, like, if they brought me a chicken taco instead of a beef taco, I'd still eat that. I wouldn't care. It was a taco anyway, man. Did you just call my name? Fardeen, yes, man, I did call your name. You typed in the chat, man. I call your name when you type in the chat. Your opinion. Clickbait. BS for Katie's anti. She's annoying. Keep saying Robinhood. Listen, Shiba Inu. Dude, I'm going to be as nice as possible. I don't know, man. I don't know. Like, I've never made it through a full video of Katie's. I don't know if it's clickbait, if she just does it for fun, if she's trying to, like, manifest something. Like, I have no idea what is going on with her titles and thumbnails, man. If any of you guys know, let me know, because it is bizarre. Every day, Robinhood listed Shiba Inu coin. Every day, Shiba Inu coin. Like, I've seen videos where she said Shiba Inu coin's $1,000 a coin. What? So I don't know, man. I have no idea. I can't even make a statement saying it's clickbait because this is too far out. It's too far out to be clickbait. It's too far out. What's up, bro? Dig your channel. SSD Train. Thank you for being in here and thank you for digging the channel, dude. What do you think about Gala? I'm so mad, Manic. I don't know a ton about Gala. Gala is kind of in the gaming world, right? I do know that Gala's got around $1 billion market cap, I think, so it's still up there. It's one of the bigger coins, but I don't know exactly what they do or what they got going on. So right now it's $1.7 billion market cap, up 12% on the day. That's very good. It's been all the way to 71 cents, and it's currently sitting at 25 cents. Clearly, it would have been very nice to get in at 0.0015 and ride that bad boy all the way up to 75 cents. But, those days are probably long gone. When the market cap was literally $1 million, and then it rides all the way up to $5 billion market cap. Yeah, this is what you're looking at right here for Gala. I unfortunately don't know everything that they do. I thought they were in gaming, so we've come out here before, I think. Yeah, so I don't really understand everything that they got going on, but dude, if people play it, like if they got a game here and you want this knife or whatever this is, you want this thing, clearly there's always going to be gamers out there, and as they continue to grow their game, the coin is going to continue to grow alongside of it. But dude, strong market cap. Like there's no denying that it's a big coin now, but amazing to watch a coin go from literally less than $1 million market cap, $1 million in here, all the way up to a $5 billion market cap. You're talking over 1,000x to get to $1 billion, 5,000x on your money. Imagine that. Imagine making 5,000x. It's huge. What's your opinion about what Gary Gensler and Unusual Whales tweet about new rules? From today, look, dude, here's my blanket opinion on literally any new rule that's going to be coming out. It's not going to cause the MOAS. It's my blanket opinion on that. So I don't exactly know what new rules were tweeted about today, but over the course of the last year, we have seen so many rule changes. And they're basically wording changes, and they're basically very small. So people usually look to them to be a catalyst to cause the short squeeze. I feel like it's very dangerous to assume that the SEC or any regulatory body is going to create a rule change that's going to cause margin calls on hedge funds and cause AMC to be covered. I think that's very dangerous from the fact that they're just not going to do that, and it's going to increase expectations in an unhealthy way. Man, Shiba Inu doing very nice there. Rolling up, sitting at 24.50 right now. Please click the like button. Clay works hard and deserves it. Done now. Thank you very much. Yes, guys, do click the like button. So I did get my fill. 40% of my position, $18.50 for 94 cents per contract. The risk is at $1.20, and looking to buy more shares. Frank, man, very nice, dude. Very nice. Oh man, my knee's about to crack. Gosh, there you go. Let's see here. Raymond, is that what you got, man? That's the best you could come up with? Because it's bewildering to me. I'll put it that way. I seen one recently. It said if you own 1,000 Shib, you just became a millionaire. If you own 1,000 Shib, dude, Shib would have to go to $1,000. Oh my gosh, man. What do you think about Crow Coin plus staking game crypto brings for earning free coins? So, Puerto Rican crypto. I like Crow Coin. I like Crypto.com. And I think as exchanges continue to grow, that Crypto.com, like even Binance, these exchange coins are going to continue to grow along with it. Now, one of the problems that these exchange coins are going to face is if the U.S. and countries across the world decide to regulate or terminate centralized exchanges, then the exchange coins are going to have a problem. They're going to have something to deal with there. But staking, dude, if you can make, I think it's 12% staking your Crypto.com coin, 14+% staking your Binance, those are very good. Those are very good rates of return, man. Rocket, thank you for the super chat. Rocket says, we want Brett. We want Brett. We want Brett. We want Brett. We do want Brett. Where's Brett at? Send him that video and make him come in here. Hey bro, what program or platform do you use to track the market? I like how you can split the screen in more than one asset. So Axelrod, this is Webull, man. If you want to use Webull here, you can, honestly, you can put 6 of them up here. You can just customize this view here. All I got to do is come over to the customize view tab, click on that, and I can put so much more up here too. I can put order books and things like that, but I just have the stock, so it's much easier to look at when you keep it only the stock graph. Or you can come out here and you can clearly just do one at a time and so on. But what we got here, and then if you want to see the overall market and look at all these different things, dude, you got the top active gainers, you got most so you're gonna have like most heavily traded, you get to have the top gainers, top losers on here. Global, so you can see all of the stock exchanges across the globe. I don't know if they got Forex on here anywhere on the desktop. I know they have it on your phone, so if you want to check out all the currencies across the globe, they got those on your phone. I don't know where to find that on desktop, but it got a lot of information, man. If you want to like pretty much anything you want to see, you can find it on Webull. And you can use the link in the description below. Get some free stocks, man. They actually got a promo going on right now. I think you get 5 free stocks if you sign up. Hui! Dragonfly Doji on AMC's daily. Would this mean we reverse to the upside or reverse to the downside? Let's see what the daily... Dude, honestly, I'm still going to call it as being near a bottom. Because I know what yesterday's candle is going to look like. And I'm going to say it's near a bottom. But Dragonfly Dojis typically just mean that the bulls and the bears are battling it out. And nobody really won the game today. What am I doing? Where's all the stocks? Where did all those other stocks go that we have? Something must have reset. Alright, we don't need this. Gosh. That's tough, man. That's tough. I'm going to say it's bullish. I'm going to say it's bullish in this case. I'm going to say it's bullish. And Monday, here's the deal, though. I would say this is bullish, but so much could happen over the weekend right now that technicals are not useless, but dude, with 2 days being closed, like these guys over in Russia and Ukraine, they're not going home for the weekend. So, technically, on the technicals, I would say this is a bullish setup here, but I wouldn't place any weight on technicals right now. Because literally anything could happen over the weekend. And, dude, AMC could open up at $5 if the world starts to end. Congratulations on that. Brett, we want rocket. We want rocket. We want rocket. Brett is in here. What is going on, Brett? We got the gang back, man. We got Brett. We got Natalie. We got Rocket in here. Everybody's in here. I love it, guys. Stephanie, are you still in here? No. Stephanie's another one with like 9+ months. I'm getting destroyed on my Shiba trades. Uncle Sam's Shiba army. Yeah, a lot of people are down on Shiba right now. But Shiba is bouncing back from where it was. So if you got in anytime basically after October, you know, it's going to be very difficult unless you're able to average down. But that's if you got any crypto, man, I don't know if you're going to be positive on any crypto right now. Rocket, thank you for the super chat. Clear, bro. Please give Natalie my wrench. I volunteer as tribute. Where is Natalie in here right now? Is Natalie in here? Dude, I don't think I need to like take away your wrench, man. I don't think I need to take away your wrench. Natalie had a wrench, but if she's back, I mean, she can get another wrench. We'll work for it. Yeah, okay. Natalie did have a wrench for the longest time, so I know if, oh God, if Wrestler's in here, he's probably going to be mad, but Natalie was wrenched for the longest time, and now she's back. So it's okay. I'm used to seeing Natalie's name blue anyway. How's it going, bro? AMC and BBIG, LFG. So many tickers. I know LFG's not a ticker. But yes, AMC and BBIG, let's get it. I do not own any BBIG. I do own AMC. Frank, I'm East Coast, so about 8 p.m. Good deal. Oh, I'm mad. No, I knew he'd be mad. I knew he would be mad. Wrestler. I'm going to take it away over the weekend. Wrestler. But don't be mad. Don't be mad at me. Uncle Sam will defend the stream in case Russia wants to take... Dude, Russia's not going to take my live stream, man. Come on now. Nobody wants my live stream, dude. Nobody. Hey, Clay, is staking coins better than dividends? So trust me, bro. Staking coins is like earning dividends, right? A couple things you have to consider when you're staking coins. Number one, if you stake a coin, then you are likely locking it up for a certain period of time. So it's more like a CD on your bank account than it is necessarily investing in a stock that pays dividends, because at any time you can go close that stock position. But if you've got coins staked, there may be a time frame before you can unstake those coins. So you always have to look at that. But also, this is interesting, okay? So you're supposed to, or previously, we're supposed to pay taxes on your staking gains, okay? And it was this year. It was like just now. I think it was actually probably for 2021 tax season. But some couple sued the IRS and won the case that they don't have to claim their staking rewards until they transfer the cryptocurrency. So it's not like a dividend in that aspect. Okay, they might still ask you to pay taxes on it, but there has been lawsuits where people have won not paying taxes on their staking gains until they transfer it, which means you either transfer it to a different crypto or you transfer it to fiat or whatever you want to do there. You know, that's been out there. So I guess invest accordingly. Don't take my word for it, especially if you have to sue the IRS before they allow you not to pay taxes on it until you close it out. But that's the latest I've seen on staking. So those would be your differences in the two. Just interest me the badge. You're a real wrestler. No, dude. Not yet, man. Not yet. Good. I was listening to Trey's live before I came in, and he mentioned something about feeling like the shorts will cover or start to cover their positions over or in the next 3 to 4 months. So, yes, I do have some thoughts, and let's go over those because I did not see the live, but I did see his Twitter post, and since I didn't watch the live and I only got a tiny little glimpse of what he's talking about on Twitter there, I'm not exactly sure what he's basing it on, but he does see, and he has been focusing recently on small cap and mid cap stocks getting shorted hard and falling much faster than blue chip and indices, meaning bigger stocks, okay? So, like, if Apple falls 5%, you could expect AMC to fall 15, 20%. He's blaming that not on the fact that they have much lower market caps and are much more volatile, but on the fact that small and mid-cap stocks were being much more heavily shorted than large-cap stocks. And, hey, they probably are, percentage-wise, but it's much easier to make up a percentage of a $1 billion company than it is a $900 billion company. So there are some things that I believe would be missing in comparisons there. It's very difficult to compare 1% of a billion to 1% of a trillion. And, you got to look at all aspects of it. So I don't exactly know why he thinks that they're going to be covering over the next 3 to 4 months, if it has anything to do with inflation or whatever, but I think he was looking, at the NASDAQ and some larger cap stocks experiencing some gains yesterday, but stocks like AMC and these small to mid cap stocks were up 5-10% yesterday and outpacing the overall market. And in my opinion, it's just because these smaller cap stocks are more volatile and they move quicker. But, some people, they only believe when it goes down, it's shorts causing it to go down. When it goes up, it's only retail buying it to make it go up. I don't have that same viewpoint as a lot of people out there do. I think that people are absolutely selling AMC. I think that people, yes, are buying AMC, but I don't think that every time AMC goes down, it's because of a short. I don't think that every time it goes up, it's the retail or the heroes. There's a lot of trading and a lot of buyers and a lot of sellers. So, I don't know. I hope it squeezes in the next 3 to 4 months, and I hope the shorts cover in the next 3 to 4 months, but I don't see any indication as to why they would have to. Hoodro, you resemble Dave from Alvin and the Chipmunks. Is that good, man? I think that's good, right? I'm the cop from the movie Taxi. I never watched that movie, Wrestler. So if I staked $1 million of Crow at 10% interest, that'll be $100,000 yearly or monthly. Yearly. So trust me, bro. If you put $100,000 in Crow and you staked it, you're gonna be making $100,000 a year in staking income. Now, here's what you need to remember too. Crow 35, 40 cents right now. I don't know exactly what it's at right at the moment. Let's say Crow goes down to 15 cents. Now all of a sudden you're only making $50,000 a year because you've got half the amount staked. If Crow goes to 80 cents, 60 cents to 80 cents, you're going to be making $200,000 a year. If it goes to $1, you're going to be making $250,000, almost $300,000 a year. So it's got its benefits when the coin price moves up and down because you're getting paid out in Crow, but if it falls, you're going to be making less. Your dividend that you're getting paid out is going to be reflected by the price of Crow as well. OPTT, but it's not a month. Those are annual yields that you see. OPTT has had a good week. I've lost a lot less than half of my money now. A lot less is good, dude. A lot less than half of a loss is good, right? No setting dates, just show up to their house and say, get in the car, we're going to dinner. It's the way to do it, man. It's the way to do it. And if they say no, shoot, they're not hungry. Simple as that. Do you feel that we are at a fundamental price level? It's AMC fundamental. So currently, I still don't think so. Based on its revenue growth, you could start to make cases for AMC being worth 15 to $20 billion, but with $6 billion in revenue, or $6 billion in debt, sorry, and 1.6 billion cash, it's tough because they still don't have enough assets to outpace their debt, and if anything does happen to them, the equity is basically worthless if you're looking at it that way because they have more debt than they do assets. So, if you're looking at it like that, I still say no. But I would give it a pretty low valuation if you're only looking at the balance sheet. If you're looking at revenue growth, if you're looking at, the U.S. opening back up, and it doesn't seem like we're going to have any trouble with people going to the movies and people getting more comfortable going to the movies, and it can, continued releases, theatrical releases as opposed to dual streaming and theatrical releases, I do think AMC is going to be doing a lot better. And it can start to climb towards that $17 level. I know other people are going to tell you all day that AMC is worth more than $17, and hey, they could probably justify it too. I don't think it is, but they could absolutely justify it. But that doesn't mean that I don't think it's worth buying here, because clearly, I got AMC, so I think I'm all good on it. It's only a matter of time before FOMO buyers start the process all over again. Dude, yeah. Shredder, they will come back in. I just don't know when. FOMO buyers, they cannot stand it if a stock is running, man. If a stock is running, they have to jump in. And I know it's nice when AMC's up 5-10% on the day, but if AMC's up 5%, GameStop's up 5%, Prog's up 5%, if there's so many other options out there, they're not FOMOing into AMC. So if AMC does get a nice little boost or a nice little run, FOMO is definitely going to kick in again. I'm so happy right now. Three Amigos, like old times. Rocket. Yes, man. I agree. What did Pika say? I missed it. Yeah, if you get to tape over their mouth before they say, no, it's not kidnapping. Effects on that, dude. Yes. Check us better without Rhino. Rhino might be listening right now. I've seen two people in the chat say the squeeze is the third, and Monday I will start deleting those. Dude, I'm completely cool with people telling you it's gonna be on the third. I believe everybody in here knows better by now, so I feel like we're all good. The thing is, I don't want to be the guy that has to say, it has to question you as to why you continue to follow Lou or anybody else that gives you dates like this. Now, at least Lou is saying that if it doesn't happen by March 3rd, it's just over. You know, at this point in time, he's not coming up with an excuse like, well, they were corrupt and they manipulated it down, and it's going to be April 3rd or anything like that. He's saying he's done. He's saying the AMC is done if it doesn't happen by March 3rd. So I do think it's going to come back to bite him. So I don't think anybody needs to say I told you so, but I do not think that it's going to squeeze by March 3rd. I don't think there's any catalyst that would drive it that much higher in price. If we get lucky and it does, dude, I'm going to be happy, okay? I'm going to be happy. I'll even say Lou is right. I don't care. I just want AMC stock to squeeze. So I don't care if anybody takes any credit for it. I'll just be very, very happy that it squeezes. I don't want to see any of you guys give up if it doesn't squeeze by March 3rd, though. I don't want to hear anybody saying it's done, it's over. They didn't close by March 3rd, so now we're screwed. Squeezes tomorrow. JB! Yes, squeezes always tomorrow, man. Worth much more than 17. We profitable, bro. Yeah, I'm profitable right now, man. I'm in the green on my AMC. I don't know. I can't justify a valuation based on its book value, based on its balance sheet, even based on its current income statement, man. Maybe based on growth, but not based on anything current. At least for me. He was hilarious. Where is he? I know I missed somebody. It's Sam. Sam. Yeah, Sam left a little bit earlier yesterday, and I haven't seen him today. I am devil's advocate. Nice, man. Sam. Brett is devil's advocate. Is Sam. They're all the same person. Too many fake financial gurus. You and Lewis Jackson are the only ones who are honest. Guns and loaded, man. Dude, here's the thing. You know, anybody can come out and take advantage of situations and hype and everything, and that's good. But then when they put stipulations on it like that, there will be people who fall off the bandwagon, and I get it. I want to be here tomorrow. I want to be here the next day. I want to be here the day after that. So I don't want to go down those roads where I'm like, I have all the answers and I have all the money or anything like that, because I don't think that's right. Oh, sorry, I thought we were doing Spartacus thing. Sorry, Sam. I don't even know where he's at, man. Real wrestler, Sam. Yes, AMC is my longest investment. Trust me, bro, for a lot of people. Hey, Clay, there is news Russia's thinking about opening a diplomatic talks in Ukraine. If so, where do you see stocks and crypto heading? Cindy, I can't imagine that would be bad news, okay? I cannot imagine that would be bad news. If it's fake news, okay, I could see stocks and crypto heading back down again, especially if they're gaining on that news. But I can't imagine that being bad news. I mean, I could. Okay, now I am trying to imagine it being bad news, and if those diplomatic talks are surrender now, we own you, I could see that going bad. Like, let's be diplomatic here. Just surrender now, we own you, or don't surrender and we will kill you. Like, that could be bad news. You could talk diplomatically about that, but what's the outcome there? So I guess it depends on what these talks are, Cindy. I'm going to be honest now. I was trying to imagine how that would be bad, but I guess it could be. Let's see. Wrestler, I had a feeling you were running, you pranksters. No way. There's no way, Wrestler's Rhino. There's no way. Look at it like, hey, if it squeezes, then bam. If not, then long term is a good investment, win-win. Yeah, Dion, man. I think I'm saying that right, Dion. Exactly. And I hope that everybody has that mentality too. Because it's difficult to watch it go down. It is. Now, if it goes back up, you guys are in the green and you want to sell because you can't do it anymore. I still understand that, right? But that's your decision that you're making. That you as an investor, you financially, and you make that decision for what's best based on what you think is best. It's different if, some guy, even me, just some guy on YouTube. I'm not even referencing like Lou at this point, but if some guy on YouTube says that he's selling or it's over or he's got all the answers, then you're not making that decision. You're just following somebody. And I want you guys to make the decision based on what you feel is best. So, hey, if March 3rd comes by and you guys truly believe that it's over at that point for some reason and you feel comfortable with making that decision that it's over, I don't want to change your mind on that. I don't think it's over, but I'm not here to influence you guys in a way to do something that you don't want to do. I want you to be confident in whatever decision you make. You got a fake body double. Somebody did. Serenity now. Let's get it. Click. Hypothetical question. I love hypothetical questions. If the world could make a realistic Iron Man-ish suit or some form of super soldier serum, what could you see we are closer to? Now, I wouldn't say the super soldier serum would be like Captain America level, but some type of enhanced soldier. We got to be much closer to the Iron Man suit, man. Not necessarily full-scale Iron Man, but at least level 1 Iron Man. We would have to be closer to that, dude. We can't even cure the cold, dude. There's so much more medically that we would need to be able to do. I understand steroids, like yes, steroids would play a factor in that, but it's nothing near like serum level where these guys are immediately transformed or anything. So I get there's performance enhancing drugs out there that people take, but I don't think at that serum level. I would say like some sort of a suit, like a drone suit would be closer. Let's see. Clearer. Now, wrestler is saying he isn't Rhino, so I have no idea. It's like Spider-Man meme with all pointing to say, yeah, that's exactly Pika. I don't think that wrestler was Rhino, but I don't know. Wrestler's been known to play jokes before, so it could have been, but I don't think so. It said Sam was in me, small but important distinction. Oh my god. Devil's Advocate is back. What's going on, man? It's called trend and people already take it. It's a steroid for horses. Fairly common. Cap just got it first. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. But is it necessarily serum level, like Captain America level serum? Or would you think that like these drone suits could be a little bit more advanced? That's what I'm going with on mine. I don't think the trend necessarily makes these guys be able to like run that much faster, jump that much higher, and all of that. But yeah, it can definitely work on building muscle. Brett is me. Oh, Brett is you. Sam is in you. Oh my goodness, I am Brett. I don't even know who I am anymore. Maybe I'm Rhino. An AMC Short Squeeze is highly likely. Pika Power. So an AMC Short Squeeze is highly likely. Yes, Clipper, how dare you tell us not have control over our own investments? Yeah, noob investor, man. How dare I tell you that you have control over your own investment? That's just terrible, isn't it? It's terrible to put the blame on you instead of on anybody else. Oh, man. So, yeah, Pika Power. Let's talk on that for a second. I do think it is highly likely, right? To the scale, I don't know. Like, price-wise, I don't know. So when you're talking strictly about a short squeeze, you need shorts outstanding, high short interest, which we have. You need a group of people that are willing to restrict the supply in some way so that when the shorts do go to cover and that increased demand comes in from those short shares covering, it increases the price. I believe we have that. Now, when it comes to AMC going to 50, 100, 500, 1,000, $5,000, like all of these different price points, that's where I would say it becomes more unlikely. As the price increases, it becomes less likely to achieve that price because more people would have to hold out for longer periods of time and resist more temptation in order to reach those higher prices. So, will the shorts cover? Yes. If AMC does not go bankrupt, the shorts will cover. So, it's got a very high likelihood of the shorts covering. How high the price squeezes is where your likelihood drops down. Wrestler's funny, Rhino is not. Well, then that tells you the difference there. That tells you the difference. Trend with Prog's delivery system. Ooh, devil's advocate. That might actually work, man. That might actually work. Put some trend, and I don't even know Prog's delivery method, man, but put some trend in some Prog delivery pills, and then you guys might be onto something that nobody ever thought existed. Who should know how many people have a... Dude, I don't know how many people have a wrench, actually. I could go in there and look, but I don't know the number right now. Take horse steroids while listening to prog rock. You got it. Yes. If you do that, you will become Captain America. That is financial advice. Wait, what's one of the coolest things that's ever happened to you? Oh my gosh, dude. Danelle, I don't even know. How does somebody answer that question? What's one of the coolest things that's ever happened to me? I have no idea. I have no idea what's one of the coolest things that's ever happened to me. I really don't. Real talk, though, that combo would likely make people more superhuman than currently possible. Dude, sign me up, Devil's Advocate. Sign me up. Let's go. Versus the kind of big brother that picks on you, but at the end, you're one of the family. But Rhino is just a butt. Oh, no, Rhino. Where's Rhino? We can't talk bad about Rhino unless he's in here, man. Steroids plus 2 of vaccines and 4 boosters is super soldier serum. Let's get it, man. I don't even know if I can say those words. This was this one time Nickelback lived in his basement for months. That was pretty cool. That was a good time. When the chipmunk used to jump in my house every day, that was a pretty cool time. There was some good times in my life. I really can't boil it down to the coolest moment of my life, though. What's your biggest scratch-off win? Dude, I'm not going to lie. I think the only... I've never really won a scratch-off because I never buy scratch-offs. So the only time I can ever really remember winning a scratch-off was going on a family vacation to probably Myrtle Beach one year and driving down, and in West Virginia, like my mom and dad bought a scratch-off ticket. They let me scratch it off, but they won $20. So that's the biggest win that I've ever had on anything like that. It wasn't even my win because I never buy those things. The video we made him was the coolest thing. He's afraid to admit it, though. I'm not going to lie, dude. That was definitely one of the nicest things. I don't know about coolest, but definitely one of the nicest. He tapes their mouths before locking them in the basement, so it was still legal, yes. And then they wanted to stay, so what was I going to do about that? Brett, I'm a wrench reservist. I'm deployed when Clay feels guilty of not having enough wrenches. Wrestler, yes, man. You're on the wrench reserves. I take my clothes off, and then in my tiny Thanos suit. Generic white, what? I don't know what this guy's doing, man. Won $1,000. You would have thought I hit the Powerball. Missy, very nice. Anybody else win some scratch-offs? $20,000 is better than $20. AMC up very, very, very slightly after hours, sitting at $17.67, up 1 cent. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $24.37 right now. GameStop sitting at $118.36, down 0.19%. Prog, very, very choppy and just flat after hours, down 1.48%. Farmy sitting down after hours at $16.70. Sundial also down after hours, sitting at 51 cents flat right now. Nothing going on after hours today, guys. Everybody's already starting their weekend. Let's see. If Nickelback lived in my basement, I'd flood it. Pugnacious, you would not, man. You go down there and work out with them and have a good evening. You know you would. Wow, wasn't even good. Dang it. I knew I should have danced. Dude, if you would have danced, yeah. If you guys would have done like the PDP or something, that would have been epic. What's up? Rob Bliss, what's going on? I really appreciate your hard work. Fardeen, thank you very much, man. Appreciate you always being in here, too. I truly do. Everybody that's in here keeping the chat moving, enjoying your Friday afternoon, having a good day. I mean, that's where it's at. So thank you all for being in here. Won $1,800 on a $1 slot in Vegas. Pretty cool. Dang it, man. Everybody's winning all this money gambling. Nice, Natalie. $100 on a scratch off. Very nice. Yak, Texas. Zom is pumping right now. We can take a look at Zom for a second. Zomedica. Oh, no. That almost fell. I don't know where we're at here. All right. Zomedica. 23% after hours. Yeah, man, it is moving. Dude, it was all the way up to 50 cents after hours. Oh, no, 50 cents. That's a couple days ago. Never mind. I thought it was selling a minute chart. Zom up to 43 cents right now. Very, very nice. If you guys are in it, let me know. I do not have any of this, but if you guys... Can you buy calls? I don't know if you can buy calls or not. It seems to be like a very good play if you guys are in it anywhere under 43 cents right now. So, very good. It is pumping. I also appreciate his hard work. Work, man. This dude doesn't do anything, do I? I think my biggest win was a kid's car when I was 4, and when we got to parade it around the mall with the other kids. Nice, Cassie. Very nice. AMC should trade sideways all next week. Oh, gosh, dude. That would make some people very mad. Hey, that's my Canadian band. Let's get it, Rob. No, I like Nickelback, dude. I like Nickelback. Yeah, I scratched $100 off on a scratch off. I was freaking stoked being only 18, and my dad was like, all right, cool. Now give it back. Nice. I have to get back to work, Clay, bro. Bye, bros. Pika power. Enjoy your Friday. Look, enjoy your entire weekend, okay? Don't be afraid to like the videos, share the videos all weekend long, but enjoy your weekend and get your work done so you can go home. Bye, Pika. Yes, who would have thought war was what we needed to bring the whole band back together, man? But we got it back together, and we are good to go. It's perfect when you come together in times like this. Putin really wanted to make the government mad. He'd buy all shares of AMC at $10,000 each. He'd have to do it with Bitcoin, though, because he's not allowed to spend his money anymore. Actually, he could personally buy it. He couldn't use Russia's money to do it, but I don't think they actually sanctioned Putin himself. So, yeah, he could do it, and that would be pretty funny. I got drunk at Elko, Nevada, and gambled my entire bank account, and woke up, thought it was broke, but found $13,000 in my pocket. Oh, gosh. Pugnacious, I don't know if this story is true or not, but that would stress me out, man. That would stress me out. Why is Zom running after hours? Good question, man. Good question. We got it up on the chart here. I don't know if it's an earnings release or what. Dude, I don't know why it's running in after hours. They got earnings at least 4 hours ago. And they had a big jump in fourth quarter revenue. And I don't know why it's taken off in after hours. Maybe it's because there's restricted trades right now and people are putting in higher than usual after hours trades, but it's very weird that it started to pump right at like 421. I don't know. I don't know why it would be after hours. You would think they would have released earnings after hours, but, you know, this news is from 4 hours ago. I mean, they did beat earnings by some pretty good numbers there. Let's see. It was a joke about my appreciation for... Whoa, Clay. Not a jab at your work ethic. I don't know. I would never make fun of your ability to work hard. I work hard, play hard, man. And I do both. I don't know how it was a joke about my... I don't know how it was a joke about that, but I'm not going to think too much into it, man, because then I might start thinking some weird stuff. $100,000 on a $100 slot machine. Private account, if that's true, amazing. We need a hero to save us. I'm not going to do it in my Nickelback voice. Do you think Microsoft's going to partner with Shiba? John, I do not, actually. I do not. I'm not going to stand here. Man, you guys, I'm loving it today. Bye, Pika. Have a great weekend. Yes, Russia's money is Putin's money. Yeah, true, but Putin didn't directly get sanctioned, right? So he's probably still got some personal money. He can't spend Russia's money. That would be nice if he could, and he could come out there and buy all of our AMC shares for $10,000 a piece. He just got more sanctions today for the long term, too. Don't punish all of Russia for... see, I didn't see anything new today. So I don't know what they got new going on today. They did do it to him himself. Today? Did they come with that today? Because I didn't see that if it was today. The only stuff I saw was yesterday. Got my AMC average down to 1875, but a long road holding for life-changing money. JJ, let's get it, man. Just gave the finger to an old man with a handicap sign in his car. Felt bad at first. Then he got angry that he didn't learn his lesson when his crap driving earned him the sign. Oh my God. Playing a bit at will, $1,000 would cause a liquidity crisis. I think I missed something. Maybe $1,000 price. I'm still around 35. I think I need to take this opportunity to get it lower. Rob, up to you, man. Up to you. If you don't feel like you're in too heavy right now, you absolutely could. Bro, did you see that coin Shiba Tron? It's up 750 just today. No, I did not see Shiba Tron. Axelrod. Here's the deal, though, man. Please be careful with all of these new coins. You might see that it's up 753% today. And then if it's brand new, it might be just some sort of a scam, dude, where you put your money in it and you're not able to get it back out. So please be careful if you're thinking about jumping into any brand new coins. I did win $2,000 on a candy machine. I don't know how you win money on a candy machine. He said he can spend it in Russia, though. So many terms. Let's get it, man. That is true. He could buy whatever he wants there. I put a single quarter in a machine once and immediately won a gumball. Now that is what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. SNDLFTW. Dion. I have no idea what that means, man. My wife made the comment that every time she goes to bed, the first thing she hears blaring from the TV is, "Hello, beautiful people." ABI, followed by the guy asking if you want to be a bro. Nice. Yak, Texas. That's what I like, man. That's what I like. That's what I like to hear. Thank you for this. There's nothing wrong with that, though. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm going to give her a shout out next time if I can remember. Is she talking about in the videos or is she talking about in the live stream? I want to give her a shout out, dude. And then you can really freak her out. You can really freak her out. Be like, oh my God. Nah, this dude's like, if you want to become a bro, click that subscribe button, become a bro. We are here every single day growing our portfolios together. Yeah, we should mess with her. I want a cakewalk once. Very nice. Click. Question. Missy, you got a question? What happened to PDT status during a squeeze? What do you mean what happens to it? Still intact. Like, you're going to have to be able to buy and sell your shares. Paul Wright, man. Paul Wright. Let's see. Meow. 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 Thank you very much, Paul, for the super sticker. I know that's one of everybody's favorites out there, so thank you very much, Paul. Appreciate that, man. Oh, my gosh. Breathe. But yes, so Missy, if you're planning on day trading, you're either going to need to have a margin account or you're going to need to continue to follow the rules. So if you expect to get in and get out in the same day as the squeeze happens, you're going to need to do it on settled funds, right? So you're going to need to buy and make sure you bought on settled funds. You can sell, but then you definitely can't buy again. Or if you sell something to jump into AMC, just know that you're not going to be able to sell that until your funds settle. $4.99 into Brett's OnlyFans account and immediately won a new super close up though, so I couldn't verify his face. I got the same one, so yeah, I know what you mean. I won one of those sticky hands on a machine once when I was little. Tried to throw it at the wall in the bowling alley and accidentally hit some old guy's cheek and it stuck. I got scared and ran out. Oh yeah. Did she say an old guy? Like she was little and she threw it. The old guy was probably my age. You know, this dude's like 30 and she throws it at him and hits it and runs out. Oh my gosh. That would be hilarious though. Natalie, you need to go back and get that security footage. I need to see this. Her name is Alex. Ask her if she wants to be a bro on the next video. Yak, if I can remember it, okay? It's always very, very difficult for me to remember specific names during videos. Much easier during the live stream. I'll gladly give anybody a shout out during the live stream. But yeah, dude, if I can remember it, I might throw something in there. If wife asks why there is a grown man meowing, just tell him that somebody sent a grown man a cat super sticker, and that is why that grown man is meowing. Can't wait until tomorrow. Why, you ask? Because I get better looking every day. Private account. It's a good reason to wait till tomorrow then, man. It's a good reason. JoQ Crypto, watching, listening while I have cell service, shifting gears and checking mirrors. Very nice, JoQ Crypto. You're only going to be here for another 4 minutes, Joe, so it's all right, though. You don't have to worry about it too much longer. The real wrestler, I ain't no kitty. I'll meow all day long. You send me a super chat. The Peach might scare her. JJ. Yeah, Peach might scare her, but the cat, definitely, the cat should scare all of you, actually. So what's the plan for Monday? Shredda, plan for Monday is to grow our portfolios together. How are we going to do that? By getting started. First step, become a bro. Easy as that, man. Easy as that. I was addicted to soap. I'm clean now. I don't even know if that's a thing. Oh, this dude said a joke. This dude said a joke. He was addicted to soap, and he was cleaning himself with it. Now he's clean. Yeah. Now I got it. I thought this dude was literally like on one of those, crap. What's that channel that used to have those addiction things where those people would eat soap and they thought that that was like normal, but it was not normal? You know, the same show they had Hoarders on, right? I swear John and Kate plus 8 was on there. I thought he was literally addicted to eating soap, and he says he's clean now. Oh my god. Missy, thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you this morning. I bought IMPP2X2, and I thought, what if AMC were to squeeze on a day I did this? Hopefully, I just hit my 25,000 liquidity fast. Yeah, so look, you're still going to need to get a margin account, right, if that's the case, and you get your $25,000 in there. But, you know, if you bought AMC today, you could still sell AMC today, but you're not going to be able to buy anything else with those funds. Or if you sell something and use those unsettled funds to buy AMC, you're not going to be able to sell without getting flagged. TLC, yes, it was TLC. Oh my gosh, my strange addiction. There it is. Eating soap. My dude was on that channel for sure. He's clean now, though. He's clean now. No, but $4.99 worth it. Worth of $half, do. I don't know. I guess $1 doesn't make Brett holler. No, but $4.99 with $half, do. Nice. I gotta go all in on AMC since Fed will raise the rates. Let's get it, wrestler. We gotta go all in, man. Do you think there will be a catalyst real? Do you think that will be a catalyst? Are you talking about real wrestler? I think he's talking about real wrestler, right? It's the 49 pennies that make him school. Oh my gosh. One time I put $1 in a change machine and won 4 quarters. You guys are so lucky, man. I don't know how you do this. She wants to hear you meow again, Clay, bro. Well, man, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know how to meow. Hiya, Rob. Hello, guys. Rob Bliss. I think 2022 will be a red year. I don't want any red years, man. I want to make money in 2022. I'm telling everybody that we're going to make 2022 the best year ever. We got to make 2022 the best year ever, you know? Yes, but you could answer it, Clay. Rob, yeah, I don't think that the Fed raising interest rates is going to cause the AMC stock short squeeze, man. I don't see why that would cause it. I mean, I know that's a short answer, but I truly don't see why it would cause it. Plan for Monday, if AMC drops to 14, 5 minutes after the open, I close my cover calls, buy more shares, and AMC moves. Boom! Let's get it. JJ said, what a better way to end the... Then, JJ, thank you very much for the super chat, man. You guys are absolutely ridiculous. But guys, it's 5 o'clock. It is time to go. All right, we got to get out of here. It's the weekend. You get videos coming out in 2 hours and in 3 hours. Make sure to, my gosh, guys, stop messaging me. Well, make sure to watch the videos. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, which I'm sure you have, hit that subscribe button, all that good stuff. Share the videos, like the videos, everything you guys already know to do. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll get some shout-outs going on. And sincerely, Thank you for being in here and having a good day today. Shredder, Rob Bliss, The Real Wrestler, Cassie, Rob Bliss, Missy, see you later. Paul, Natalie, enjoy your weekend, Natalie. Rob Bliss, JB, Danelle, Rob, Devil's Advocate, Public Service, if I offend you, any of you, all my tweets since war began, I'm sorry, but also, dude, yeah, man, nobody's worried about anybody being offended or offended or non-offended or anything like that, dude. We're all cool here. Frank, Gorilla Invictus, Missy, Pugnacious. It's pop. Pop. It is pop, though, man. It is pop. It's definitely pop. We've done a poll before, and I swear it was about 50-50, but I should poll everybody that I know, and it is definitely pop. Pugnacious, thank you for the super chat. Enjoy your weekend, man. Cassie, enjoy yours. Kat, Navarrete, enjoy it. Natalie, bye. Clay, bye, everyone. Bye, Natalie. Rob, Transparent. Milla, Mama, Swallowed it. Oh. Send me a message on Twitter, Transparent. Melamamas, Brett, Paul, Gene, Eric White. Good weekend to you as well. All right, you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Brett, this is for you, man. This is for you. Eye contact. Lick. Stick. That's the lick and stick technique right there for Brett. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Now that's how you start the weekend, man. That's how you properly start the weekend, with the lick and stick on the banana. Thank you very much, Brett. Everybody enjoy their weekend, and we got to end this way. There's no other way to end. So, if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.